Hi everyone, welcome back to the GeoVision Technical Support YouTube channel. Today I'll guide you through the step-by-step process for transmitting people counting data from GV-VMS to GV Web Report. Let's begin configuring the people counter on the GV-VMS. Access the GV-VMS dashboard and navigate to the toolbar. Click on Configure. Then select Video Process. In the Setup dialog box, select Counter/Intrusion Alarm setting from the video analysis. Select the camera to enable the feature and click Settings. From the Counter tab under the Settings, tick Enable Settings. Define the detection zone by holding the left mouse button and drawing. Click on the direction setting. Set direction zone 0 to 1 for in, then click Add. Again, set direction zone 1 to 0 for out, then click Add. Click on the test count. Once done, click on the Stop Test Count. Adjust the sensitivity if required. Configure the Reset Alert Time. The system records the count data in GV-VMS during the specified time interval, then transmits it to the GV Web Report server through DBSync 2. Turned on the monitor to start recording. People counting is working. To transmit people counting data from GV-VMS to GV Report, need to install the DBSync 2 program on the same computer where GV-VMS is installed. For this demonstration, we already installed. The DBSync 2 program performs two key functions: transmits people counting and POS data to the GV Web Report server, allows remote access to GV-VMS for live streaming and playback. Specify a time to automatically send data to the GV Web Report server for daily sync. Specify a time interval in minutes for automatically sending counts to the GV Web Report server. Update interval. Click the Sync button to send the data to the GV Web Report server immediately. Click the Settings button to configure connections to the GV Web Report server. Displays the database path. Enter the connection information for the GV Web Report server, including its IP address or domain name, login username, and password. The default port is 30,000. Click Test to connect to the GV Web Report server. Upon successful connection, a confirmation message will appear on both the GV-VMS and the GV Web Report. DVR configuration for remote access to live video and recordings from GV-VMS. Before configuring, enable the webcam server on GV-VMS so that the DBSync 2 program can automatically acquire the necessary port values: common port, data port, audio port, and viewing port from GV-VMS. Enter the IP address or domain name, login username, and password for the GV-VMS. Then click Update to send the configuration values to the GV Web Report server. Click on the service from the left top side of the GV Web Report. Click on Start All Services. To view counting results through the web interface, ensure that the web service on the GV Web Report server is enabled. There are two methods to access the GV Web Report's web interface. To use the local GV Web Report server, select Browse on the main screen of the GV Web Report. Then select GV Web Report Data. The login page appears. To use the remote computer, open a web browser and enter the IP address or domain name for the GV Web Report. The login page appears. Type the login ID and password of the GV Web Report. Type the characters shown in the image. Click Login. The web page is now displayed on your browser. After starting the GV Web Report service, you can access counts, graphics, and live video on the network. The GV Web Report is organized into 5 pages, which can be selected from the upper right corner of the interface. For this demonstration, we are using only the people count page. The people counting page provides data on the number of people entering, exiting, and remaining within the surveillance area. Counting data can be obtained from GV, 3D people counters, GV-VMS, and GV smart boxes. On the device page, you can access 3 types of people counts for the current day. The data on the main page of the device page is updated every minute from the GV Web Report server. The page displays the people counts and graphs for all connected GV hosts. The main page displays daily people counting statistics, including the number of entries, in and exits, out, combined totals from all devices, total in and out, the current number of people remaining inside, stay equals total in minus total out, and the number of people detected moving in the wrong direction. The left menu provides access to device and counting functions. Total List lets you select a device to view its individual people counts, see its DBSync status, green for active, red for inactive, update daily counts every minute, and remove devices. The camera enables live video viewing if remote access is enabled. To access live video, select the desired camera from the left menu of the device page. By clicking the Start button on the Live View window, you can view the updating counts from the GV-VMS. Counting signage displays the current day's people counts with immediate updates from the GV Web Report server. The group page allows you to combine multiple cameras from GV 3D people counters, GV-VMS, and GV smart boxes into a single group to view total people counts. You can define maximum limits for entries, exits, and remaining people, and trigger computer alarms, I/O actions, or email notifications when the remaining count reaches the preset limit. On the log page, you can review people counting data for a selected time period from GV 3D people counters, GV-VMS, GV smart boxes, or a defined group. Simply choose the device or group, set the start and end times, select DST options, and pick the data type, minute-based logs, hourly subtotals, or 10-minute summaries. GPS location information is also available, showing the latitude and longitude of GV 3D people counters. All results can be exported to Excel, Word, or PDF for reporting. To retrieve recordings, click the video clip icon on the log page. The playback window will then appear. The query page lets you view daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly people counting data in clear graphs and tables. Simply select a device or group, choose a date, and display the results as bar, pie, or line charts for easy analysis and reporting. The custom query page allows you to look up the count data for a specific period of time. You can customize the X and Y axis of the line graph. This is all for today. Thanks for watching.